Alright, we're about to cut up these chickens, quarter legs. The smoker here still had holding around 250. We'll try to get it a little higher just to keep it going. We don't want it to drop too low. Make sure the fire's good. But for now, we're gonna get this chickens flipped. Like I said before, these some big quarter legs. I like the way that smoke's hitting that chicken though. This one's a little slippery. There it is. Got it. Put that little skin that's left on there back on. Oh, flip on one over. Nope. The skin just shrunk up on us. Try to get it back on there. Alright. Now we got a nice looking set, pretty good. Close that up. Let it continue to do its thing. I'm gonna try to get a good seal on that lid, you know. So put this tongs right there. Look at this fire. Smoking. Alright, kind of adjust this fire. See what we got. I can't really see much. Oh, there we go. See? Play with it just a little bit and then it gets that fire going. Ah! Keep that. I'm gonna leave it right there, see what happens. Now that fire got back going. See the temperature rise a little bit. So now that make sure that vent's still. I'll open this one up a little bit. I'll let that smoke come out, and then make sure it doesn't get too much past 275.